Mr. Mr. Chair, this is continuation of the activities which started this morning. Are we going to dispense with the presentation of the general rules, Mr. Chair?
Yes.
In this regard, may I ask the body to recognize our Assistant Director?
Please do the honor, back secretariat, and including the
Yes, Mr.
authorized representatives.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I am about to say that representatives from Mercury International Security Printing Corporation are present for this afternoon's activity. Ms. Judith Villaganas. Good afternoon, ma'am. And Mr. Sunny De Guzman. Good afternoon, sir. Same appearances, members of the BAC and DWG. Mr. Chair, in adherence to the requirements of Republic Act 12009, again, notices were sent to the following. Clarice Ipalitic, our team leader of the Office of the Resident Auditor of NPO, the Office of the President of the National Printing Office Workers Association, on April 29, both April 29, Mr. Chair, the Manager of Consumer Operations of the National Printing Office Multipurpose Cooperative, to the Office of the Executive Director of the Philippine Business for Social Progress on the same date, April 29, and to the Office of the Secretary General of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry on even date, April 29, Mr. Chair. We received the request the body to recognize again Ms. Ira Chantel Hilaos and Mr. King Kaluang.
Ms. Ira Hilahos and King Kaluwag are now recognized. Kuya.
Inside the mother envelope was the two envelopes, financial and technical component envelope, were both properly marked, signed, and sealed. Again, the financial envelope will be endorsed to the BAC chairman until such time the bidder was considered eligible for opening. Mr. Chair, may we proceed in the opening of the technical envelope?
Please proceed.
First requirement submitted by the bidder is their certificate of PhilJobs registration platinum membership issued on December 5, 2025 and valid until December 5, 2026. Under Annex A, SEC Certificate Registration Date, February 8, 1989, Mayor's Permit, Expiration Date, January 6, 2027, Tax Clearance Expiration Date, April 8, 2027, Audited Financial Statement, Date of Filing, May 14, 2026, Pickup License not applicable. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their single largest completed contract. Under National Printing Office, date of contract January 13, 2025, kind of goods lease of one lot, various machines with provision of technical support and services including consumables, a framework agreement identification number, NPO-BAC-FAL-014-24. Amount of contract 18 million pesos, date of delivery January 12, 2026, with attached notice to execute framework agreement and certificate of completion and acceptance with rating, duly signed by Leonardo Manalastas Jr., dated May 18, 2026. With attached a certificate of completion and acceptance with satisfactorily completed and accepted rating. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their computation of their net financial contracting capacity with total NFCC of 963,899,805 pesos. Duly signed by Mabel M. Santos, VP for Finance. Next requirement is their statement of all ongoing private contracts, including contracts awarded and not yet started. They only have listed 3 private contracts under Banco de Oro with date of contract, with total value of outstanding contracts amounting to 65,868,039 pesos, duly signed by Mr. Leonardo Manalastas Jr., dated May 18, 2026.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Ma'am Lay.
pwede pong pabalik sa NFCC. Do they declare ongoing contracts? Zero po. Observation lang, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Please take note, TWG, of the observation. Proceed.
Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their bid securing declaration. Signed by Mr. Leonardo G. Manalastas Jr., dated May 18, 2026, notarized by Attorney Anamas V. Birad Jr. with MCLE compliance number 8. Next requirement is the bidder's conformity under Section 6, Section 7, and supplemental bid bulletin, if any. Section 6. And their compliance under Section 7, technical specifications. Next requirement submitted by the bidder is their omnibus sworn statement. Duly signed again by Mr. Leonardo Manalastas Jr., dated May 18, 2026, notarized by the same notary public. Next requirement is their secretary's certificate, authorizing Ms. Judith Villaganas as their authorized representative, duly signed by the corporate secretary Leonardo G. Manalastas Jr. and notarized by the same notary public.
Who is the authorized?
Ms. Judith Villaganas.
Judith Villaganas. Kayo po yun, ma'am? Judith Villaganas. Okay.
Mr. Chair, that concludes our presentation for the technical requirements.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ira, is the TWG ready for the recommendation? Or need some time to discuss?
Mr. Chair, can we request 3 minute suspension of the proceeding?
Okay, are we going to ask the authorized representative to go out? Executive?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 5 minutes suspension.
Mr. Chair, pwede lang pong ma-view yung sa SLCC.
Sige, part yun mamaya. Part yun. Sige, ma'am, pwede po kayong muna, excuse muna. 5 minutes lang. Patawag na lang muna kayo ha. Patawag kayo mamaya. Okay, sige.
Following the examination of the technical component envelope submitted by Mercury International Security Printing Corporation, and after verification against the mandatory eligibility requirements set forth under Rule 8, Section 52 of the IRR of RA 12009, the TWG finds the bidder non-compliant. Specifically, the bidder is found deficient in the net financial contracting capacity due to unauthorized individual signatory, which is verified by the Secretary's certificate. The TWG respectfully recommends that Mercury International Security Printing Corporation be declared ineligible and that the opening of its financial component envelope shall not proceed pursuant to the rules of non-discretionary criteria.
And to include the, ma'am, you did not include the
Yes.
Authority of the signatory
Yes, sir.
on the documents.
Yes, sir. As mentioned po is the bidder po is not responsive because the unauthorized individual signed the NFCC
Okay.
upon verification of the Secretary's certificate.
Okay. The TWG's recommendation is now before the body. Non-compliant po ang recommendation po nila. Para maintindihan po ng ma'am, based on sa observation and recommendation po nila, ang inyo pong dokumento ay hindi po nagko-comply. Una, doon sa NFCC, Net Financial Contracting Capacity. You failed to declare the ongoing. Mayroon po kayong ongoing 65 million plus, but you failed to state on the NFCC form. And the TWG also observed that the authority of the signatory ay hindi po tumutugma doon sa certificate. Supposed to be, kayo po ang pumipirma. Nakalagay po doon sa secretary's certificate. Yun po yung summary ng binabanggit po ni TWG. Okay. The recommendation is still standing. Any motion from the members of the back?
I move to adopt the recommendation made by the Technical Working Group, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, the recommendation is hereby adopted. The bidder has the right to file a RR and will ask the authorized representative. Mayroon po kayong dalawang opsyon. Pero bago yon, ipakita ko muna natin para maliwanag. Kindly present. Doon muna tayo sa Secretary's Certificate. Okay, basahin po natin sa taas.
And under the Secretary's Certificate, I, Leonardo G. Manalastas Jr., a duly elected and qualified Corporate Secretary of Mercury International Security Printing Corporation, a corporation duly organized and existing under and by virtue of the law of the Republic of the Philippines, do hereby certify that I am familiar with the facts herein certified and duly authorized to certify the same at the regular meeting of the Board of Directors of the said corporation, duly convened and held on July 4, 2025, at which a meeting quorum was present and acting throughout, the following resolutions were approved, and the same have not been annulled, revoked, and amended in any way whatever and are in full force and effect on the date hereof. Resolved that Judith Villaganas.
Wait lang. Yung secretary certificate mo defective din. July 4, 2025. Wala pa itong project. Okay. Void lahat yung ano. Okay, sige, pinapakita lang po namin yung mga mali. Mali yung date. Wala pa yung project. Paano nyo nahulaan? Sige, tuloy lang, ma'am. Resolve that Judith Villaganas. So, base po dito, kayo lang yung inauthorize ni Secretary Corsec, ni Corsec. Ha? Ito yung sinasummarize lang natin para mabilis. Pero, again, defective po ito. Itong dokumento na ito. Then, balik natin sa mga dokumento sa NFCC. Ano yun? Sige, ma'am.
Ngayon lang sir na notarize.
Saan? May 18.
February 4, 2023. Mali ba rin?
Kasi yung date.
Ayun po. Na-notarize po noong February 4, 2023.
ID yun. ID yun.
Pala. May pala. May Quezon City. Tapos May 18 nila notarize. Ginamit nila yung dating meeting. Na ngayon lang na-notarize.
Okay, sige. So, ito, defective po ito ha. Dahil yung date, 2025, na wala pa yung project. Paano nyo nahulaan na ito yung magiging resolution ninyo? So, ang corporate secretary, tingnan nyo po ha, corporate secretary si Mr. Leonardo Manalastas Jr. Balik tayo doon sa NFCC. Opo. Sinabi nyo po dito, ongoing contracts, negative blanco. Tama? Then dito sa nag-sign, si Mabel M. Santos. Wala siyang authority. Kasi doon sa Corsec, ikaw lang. Ikaw lang, yun. Tapos pagdating doon sa ibang mga dokumento, sige, puntahan natin yung iba. Kay ongoing, tingnan natin. Dito sa ongoing na sinasabi namin kanina, mayroon kayong 65 million na hindi nyo na-state. Yan yung 65 million na hinahanap nila. Hinahanap ng BAC. At ang nagpirma, si Mr. Manalastas, na dapat ikaw. Dahil doon sa secretary certificate, ikaw yung inauthorize. And dalawa yung kanyang hat. Dalawa yung kanyang position. Tama ba? Corporate secretary din siya. Siya din ang executive vice president. Well, anyway, hindi na natin ano yan. Pero wala pa rin siyang authority under doon sa corporate secretary. Ganun po yun. Now, ito na. Non-compliant po kayo. May tanong. Ito, intindihin nyo maigi ito, ma'am. Ma'am Villaganas. Ma'am Judith. Kayo po ba ay magpa-file ng RR, request for consideration? Pag kayo po ay magpa-file ng request for consideration, mayroon po kayong 3 araw magmula ngayon. So until Thursday para mag-file po kayo ng request for reconsideration. Pero kung sasabihin nyo na hindi na po kayo magpa-file, ibabalik po namin ang inyong documents. Mayroon lang kayo pipirmahan. Okay. Can you decide immediately? Or we'll give you time, 5 minutes. Gamitin niyo po. Kasi on record po tayo.
Paano po yun, sir, kung magwi-withdraw kami? Paano po kung magwi-withdraw po kami?
Kung magwi-withdraw po kayo, kukunin lang po namin po ito, ay kukunin niyo po ito, then, ang mangyayari, i-recommend po namin sa director yung Hope na failed yung bidding. At depende sa aming end user kung i-request niya for reposting. Immediately. Para makasali kayo ulit.
Ano ba yung...
Ngayon, kung magre-request po kayo ng reconsideration, may process po tayong i-observe. Magko-convene po yung back para i-discuss base doon sa argumento po ninyo. Nasa sa inyo po yun, ma'am. Karapatan nyo po yun. Sige, ma'am. Ano? May decision na po?
Mag-withdraw na lang po.
Withdraw. Okay. Please take note, back secretariat.
Duly noted, Mr. Chair, and perhaps it is also proper, Mr. Chair, to discuss with them the payment of their bid docs once it will be reposted.
Okay.
Thank you.
Since ito po ay may defective po yung inyong dokumento, nag-failed dahil doon sa ang cost po nito ay ang inyong dokumento, pag inulit po, another payment po ng bid docs. Okay. Nabilin ko. Okay. Thank you very much. Hintayin nyo na lamang po. Ipirmahan. And POSQUA, another POSQUA.
Next for consideration is the PQ report presentation by the TWG of the project entitled Lease of One Lot Various Printing Machines, including supply and delivery of consumables, with provision of technical support and services through framework agreement under NPO BACFAL 008-26 with an ABC of 5 million. In this regard, Mr. Chairman, I request the body to recognize Ms. Aprilyn Burgos and Ms. Rochelle Ann Palapa.
To